Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 14 on two-dimensional random variables. In this lecture we are going to discuss this question on expected value of two-dimensional random variables. So first we understand what is this question. If two random variables x and y have the joint density, that is joint probability density function, given by fxy equal to 6 by 5 times x plus y square for 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 less than y less than 1 and 0 elsewhere, and we are asked to find the expected value of this random variable x square times y. So here we are given joint probability density function. That means these two random variables x and y are continuous random variables, and we have to find out expected value of this random variable x square times y. So by the definition, expected value of function of two-dimensional random variable will be equal to double integral from minus infinity to infinity for both the variables x and y. This function x square y times joint probability density function integral is with respect to x and with respect to y. So we have defined expected value of two-dimensional random variable in earlier lecture. So by definition we can write down expected value of x square into y equal to double integral of x square y times joint density function. Now joint density function is non-zero for values of x between 0 and 1 and values of y between 0 and 1. That means if we consider this two-dimensional plane, and if this distance is 1 on x-axis and this distance is 1 on y-axis, then x lies between 0 and 1 and y lies between 0 and 1. So our function fxy is non-zero on this square. So and it is 0 outside this square. So limits of integration will be x from 0 to 1 and y from 0 to 1, and outside this square function takes the value 0. So this we can rewrite as double integral x square y times fxy dx dy, and in this square for 0 less than x less than 1, 0 less than y less than 1, value of function is 6 by 5 times x plus y square. So that we write here fxy equal to 6 by 5 times x plus y square integral with respect to x and y. So now this is problem of double integral. We can take this constant outside double integral. First we integrate with respect to x. So for integration with respect to x we will consider y as constant. Okay, if we consider integral of this function with respect to x, we will treat y as constant. So here this y is constant, and before going for integral we can rewrite our integral as, we keep y constant, y as it is, and we multiply this by x square. So that we can rewrite as x cube plus x square y square integral with respect to x and then with respect to y. Now we integrate with respect to x first. So for that we consider y as constant. So here y is constant. Integral of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus here y square is constant. Integral of x square is x cube divided by 3, and limits of x are from 0 to 1, and then we will integrate with respect to y after putting values of x as 0 and 1. So this is equal to 6 by 5 times 0 to 1. We first put x equal to 1, so we have 1 by 4 plus x is 1 here, So 1 raised to 3, that is 1, and y square divided by 3 integral with respect to y. So we again rewrite this as, we multiply this bracket by y and we rewrite as y by 4 plus y raised to 3 divided by 3 and integral with respect to y. So this is equal to 6 by 5. Integral of y is y square by 2 and we have this 4, so that is going to be 8. Integral of y raised to 3 is y raised to 4 by 4 and we have this 3, so 3 into 4, that is 12. Limits of y are from 0 to 1. Now first we take upper limit as y equal to 1, so we obtain 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Lower limit is 0, so this becomes 0 when we put y equal to 0. Now this we can simplify. We take 24 as LCM and here we have to multiply by 3 and here we have to multiply by 2. So we can see this is 5 divided by 24. 5 will cancel out and this 6 will cancel out. So expected value is 1 divided by 4. So therefore expected value of x square y is 1 by 4. Okay, so in this way we can easily find out expected value of a function of random variable. If two-dimensional random variable is continuous, say order pair xy is a two-dimensional random variable, then expected value of function of two-dimensional continuous random variable is obtained by integral of this function hxy multiplied by joint probability density function with respect to x and y. So we have used this definition to obtain expected value of x square into y. So this is very easy question. You just have to remember the definition for expected value of two-dimensional random variable. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.